Alright, here we go. There we go. Nature time, and this time let's hope that it goes past round 10.
Yeah, hopefully I have a better start.
And what I'm glad is like nobody's wanting to play vet. Like before this week, everybody was wanting to play vet.
I like playing that personally.
I'm not a fan of it, more just because it requires me to like focus more on my army than gassing. So I prefer just not doing it. I mean, I'll play it if the majority of people select it. I mean, it doesn't bother me if I play it. I'm not a fan of it. We got Steeler going. Steeler's probably gonna leak a lot, so yeah. We'll catch a Steeler, no worries. Alright.
Automation.
Automation, that one's
I like this one.
I don't play automation too often, so I don't remember too much about it. I remember there being one thing I would usually just spam because I don't know it too much. Well, I do remember there was that one thing that does like a 25 health regen to your guys or something. And I thought that was pretty OP.
You do the artillery units.
Is this... We have another nature on our team. Like... Why is so many people playing nature? Then we got a custom builder who is going for the, looks like he's getting Zeus's.
3 natures. Oh, we have 2 natures. Well, he picked random, that's why.
He randomed?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's better. I was about to say, like... And then we got a custom builder with the infantry that's going to be up to Zeus, a preserver, and dragons. So, yeah. I forgot if no, I don't do it on this wave just yet. I keep forgetting to send that first wave's worth of stuff. I do like automation's ratio though, how it like creates a little separate unit.
Yeah, somebody to take pressure off my main guy to start.
Okay, go into E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, because that's the 5. Never mind. E8, I think that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, go into E8. Or would that be E1? We're going to say it's E8, just for the sake of calling it E8. Tasty. Was the ST data android the one that comes back with like a third of its health or something?
Yep.
Gotcha. And Steeler starts leaking, even though he had a defender, 2 infantry, and a spawn of the dragon.
And he hasn't even done much gas.
Yeah, that's because he rushed the spawn of the dragon without deleting the other units. Okay, so now it's a dragon aspect, so he should be good.
I might leak right here.
It's all good, I'll catch you.
Never mind, I'm good.
Ooh, laser battery.
It's the bread and butter right there.
Yeah, I'm not very good at this race because the automation race, because I always forget to lay down laser batteries. I usually max up pulverizers and the other one that's with them obliterator or whatever it's called. Okay, so I need to get a half breed. I forgot about that. Okay, I'm gonna start saving up for one. Still melting them. I usually have a half breed by now though, so they're not on them. But hey, you did good. No worries. No, I didn't leak yet. The astromech thing, doesn't that make it to where they all target a specific one or satellite or something like that?
The satellite, it, yeah, it makes him focus fire essentially.
And what does the auto or astromech do, or is it just there for extra damage?
What?
The astromech, the one that's behind your battle laser thingamager?
Oh, it buffs it essentially.
Gotcha.
It adds 300 life to the thing, 5 to 10% damage, 10% attack speed, and movement speed, and reduces damage taken.
Doesn't it need to be placed on it, or is it already been...
You put it right behind it, and then it attaches to it right when it starts.
Gotcha.
So like if you look at my thing right now, it'll attach in a second.
Ah, I see it. It's piggyback riding. Crimson's not going to survive boss wave. He doesn't have enough Malai.
I don't know if I'll survive it either.
What'd you say? Stealer, I don't think will either, because he doesn't have Zeus's on those, and he only has 2 Dragon Aspects, which usually you have 3. But he might. I'm not sure.
Now we'll see what happens.
Alright, I should be good, I think. Let's see. Okay, I might leak, actually. Oh,
Okay.
barely. 2 of my guys survived. Ooh. 2 of their guys leaked. Okay, so they have a ghost, and it looks like a soul, possibly.
No, they don't have a soul.
Uh, not soul, sorry, shadow. Okay, this way is going to be a little hard for me. Actually, no, it looks like I got it. Possibly. Let's see. Yeah, I should be fine.
I put all the income surrounded to gas.
Yeah, I'm gassing pretty hard as well. I'm at 459. Okay, I'm gonna save up this round.
Okay.
See what happens. I need to get another Hercules.
What are we saving for?
Oh no, I meant like saving my minerals so that I can, as in like not gassing. I want to try and make sure I survive Immo wave. I don't think one Hercules will do it. Yeah, I'm just gonna get one worker though, cause why not? Alright, now I'm gonna start gassing really hard.
I've been I put down another laser battery, but I'm not far behind you now.
Yeah, not too far. Just I think about 50
Yeah, you
gas.
have a buttload more income than me.
I do? Oh yeah, I'm up double.
Uh-oh. Never mind. I'm good.
Okay, I might
I got
leak.
a tank.
Yeah, I leaked.
I've never seen anybody send a siege tank.
I think they expected a lot of people to leak and it get to the security system. Only reason it's good is because once it gets to the security system, it can do double damage. Alright. I ain't upping no SS. Honestly, upping SS, in my opinion, doesn't really help any.
It's only really worth it in the beginning. If you don't leak on the first boss, you're fine.
Yeah, after that, it's like, there's no point to upgrade it. Okay, I need to start getting some YGG Drazels. I don't know how to say that. Yig Drazels, I guess. I'm gonna leak a little bit, just so you know. I usually don't leak right here, but I forgot to build these guys.
No, I'm good.
I'll probably leak for another 2 rounds while I get these guys down.
We've got plenty of guys down here.
Wow, I actually survived that wave. I thought I'd leak.
The other nature leaked a good amount.
Sorry, what?
The other nature player leaked a good amount.
Yeah, he's I'm not quite sure what he's building, to be honest. He's getting a lot of sprites and upgrading them, and those don't really... They're a pretty poor unit in general. Okay. Okay. Upgrade you. Put that into there. Wow, Steeler over there has a ton of army value. His is like almost 700 more than mine.
Yep. But look how much gas he has. Like none.
324, that's terrible. Ah, I need more tanks. Man, I built a little bit too many Malai. I think 3 less Malai and I would have been good. Because I didn't get to get my Yggdrasils down and upgrade them. Also hurt having 2 Colossi, Medevac, Ultra. Okay, so let's send these instead of you.
Uh-oh. We're in trouble.
We'll be fine, I think.
You sure about that? Oh, we're fine only because he upped that SS.
Okay, let's put one of you back here. And upgrade that to this. Upgrade you to that. Okay. I'm like trying to do last minute builds and upgrades without gassing so I can ensure I have what I need. I don't think I'll be able to survive boss wave though because I need like 4 tree of knowledges. Hey, I survived Laudi.
Me too.
They got a lot of dragons over there.
Yeah, they do.
Okay, so I might have a very, very slim chance of surviving this. Nah, I'm dead. Yeah.
Yep, me too.
I didn't have enough of my guy, so looks like we lost.
I don't know. They leaked just as many as we did. We have more SS than they do. We're gonna win. Our SS won it first.
Yeah.